In this video, we'll talk about some of the steps of choosing a course topic. I know we talked so far about the importance of creating an online course and what this could mean for your personal life and business. Now we'll begin taking action. The knowledge is good, but it means almost nothing without action. And just before we get started, I want to stress one important thing. Do your best and don't let yourself drown in insecurities caused by the multiple options you have at your disposal. Focus on what you want to do and what experience you have and start from there. Remember that we're looking for progress, not perfection. You may stick this motto somewhere you can see whenever you feel overwhelmed. Now, let's take action. So, when you want to choose a topic for your course, you have to think about your life, experiences, hobbies, or trainings, and identify some subjects you would like to teach others, but also some subjects for your course that people will actually want to buy. To do this more efficiently, create a new page, like a Word or Excel page, and write down things you love to do, things you know how to do, things that you are qualified to do, things that your family and friends ask to help them with, things and challenges that you learn to solve by yourself. I recommend you to write this into an online format. In this way, you will have the list saved to your computer, or you can save them to Dropbox or Google Drive. These lists will serve you for future course creation, so you should keep them available. I will also provide you with a doc file that you can download and write down the things you know how to do, in case you don't create a file on your own. Now, think about the business you are in, your life experience, the hobbies you love, passions, the courses you took, webinars, books you read, video lessons and training you may have taken in the past. Then write down all this in your file. Write down about your life and work experience that you know you are good at. Then write some topics that you believe you can share with others in your domain. Then think about what topics you would like to teach in an online course. I'm going to do this along with you and share with you my way of searching for possible topics for my courses. In the past, I used physical post-it and notes, and also digital ones to organize my ideas. At the moment, I use Trello, which is a list-making application which helps me organize more efficiently my ideas and things I have to do. This is a free tool at the moment of creating this video, so if you want, create an account now. You can do it by going to Trello.com. Put your email address and sign up. Then go to your email inbox, confirm, then log in. After you logged in, you should see this kind of interface, or how they call it, board. Go to the boards icon and click. Click on Create New Board. Then here add a board title. Here is where you would name your board in order to have an idea of what a certain board is about. In our case, we're searching for course topics, so let's name this Course Topics Research. Click on Create Board, and this is your first Trello board, which is empty at the moment. Here you can see the name of the board you just entered, and here you can see all the boards you will create. If you would like to change the background photo, go to the menu on the right and select Change Background or Colors. Let's say I want to choose another photo. Click here and select the photo you like. Close the menu, and now it's time to create our list of possible course topics. We said we're creating a list of topics we have experience and we're good at, and we love doing. First, let's name this list Course Topics Ideas. Hit Enter or click on Add List. And you can see that there is another space created for another list, but we don't need this for now, so let's close it. Now you can see under the name of our list it says Add a Card. Click on it, and you can enter your first topic idea. Now, let's do a bit of brainstorming on what you are good at, or maybe what your friends ask you a lot of questions about. Maybe you can train dogs, so put in the list dog training and hit enter. Then maybe cooking, painting, teaching, audio production, traveling, marketing, knitting. I mean, there are lots of possible topics you can choose from. Topics that you would love to teach and have experience doing. There is no limit to this brainstorming, so my advice is to write every possible topic you think about and that you could possibly teach. Now that you got some possible topics for your online course, it's time for creating another list, and let's name it Chosen Course Topic or Topics. Here we'll include your first choice for the topic of your course or which topic you would like to teach the most. Let's say you are a painter. In this case, you can select painting as your topic and drag it in the chosen course topic, like this. It is absolutely your choice for your course topic. First, choose the topic you like, that you don't stop talking about and you would really want to teach. I repeat this over and over, but you really want to love the topic you are about to teach. This way you won't get bored and give up when the times will get tough, because they will sometimes. If you choose more than one topic, call this list however you want to call it. The important thing is for the list name to make sense. This is the list where you will include the topic or topics you would like and be able to teach. However, I would recommend you to choose one topic at a time for more clarity. There is a Japanese concept called the Ikigai, which basically refers to the reason of being or the why, the reason we jump off our bed each morning. This concept has its roots in Okinawa, Japan, where people are living longer than the national average. When I discovered this concept, I tried to implement it in my life as soon as possible. The Ikigai concept combines the joy of doing something with the sense of purpose, accomplishment, and well-being. And if you find yourself struggling in finding the right topic for your course, I advise you to use the Ikigai concept and, besides your values, identify what you are good at, which is your vocation. What does the world need, which is your mission? What can you do to get paid for? That is your profession. And what do you love to do? That is your passion. The answer to these questions will be your Ikigai, and once you find it, you will find your profitable idea for your profitable online course. In my case, I absolutely love audio production, and after too much time, I realized I have to find a way to make some income from my audio production passion in order to be able to continue to practice it. Keep in mind that if you do something that doesn't bring money, that is a hobby, not a business. And in this program, we are building a profitable online course and a business. Now, getting back to audio production, some of the courses I create are on audio production, but also I offer audio production services. Therefore, I'm trying as much as possible to align my life with my Ikigai, and I wish from the bottom of my soul for you to find your Ikigai as soon as possible. So, these are some ways to find a topic for your online course. Now, for your assignment, it doesn't matter what tool you choose for finding and organizing the possible topics for your course. You can choose Trello or just a simple Word file or even a piece of paper. It's your choice. So, for your assignment now, list 5 to 10 topics that you would like to teach in your online course. Let the ideas flow and write everything that comes to mind. Ask your friends and your family what you are good at and complete the list of the possible course topics. When you finish your assignment, I'll see you in the next video.